Good morning, my dear students. In this session, we discussed about what are the ABCD parameters of transmission line. What is the need of ABCD parameters of transmission line? Where we using the ABCD parameters. So, ABCD parameters are very important for finding sending end voltage and also sending end current. If you know the receiving end voltage and receiving end current, finding the sending end voltage and sending end current is very easy by using ABCD parameters. Sending end voltage Vs is equal to AVR plus VIR. Sending end current Is is equal to CVR plus DIR. By using ABCD parameters in a two-port network, we finding sending end voltage and sending end current very easy. For finding sending end voltage and sending current is for finding efficiency. So ABCD parameters of transmission line. ABCD parameters of transmission line. Transmission of power from generating unit to distributing units can be done on the transmission line. During transmission, many losses occur in the transmission line which decrease the efficiency of a line. For the cause of losses, the efficiency is decreases. For improving the proficiency of the transmission, two-port networks are used. Two-port network means two inputs and two outputs. What are the inputs? Sending end voltage and sending end current is the input. Receiving end voltage and receiving end current is the output. A network having two input and two output terminals is known as two-port network. Directly they given a network having two input and two output terminals is known as two-port network. The network shown below has four terminals in which A and B represents the input port whereas C and D represents the output port. So in ABCD parameters, AB is a input port terminal, CD is a output port terminals. This is a two port network. So A, B, C, D. So sending end voltage, receiving end voltage, sending end current, receiving end current, two port network consider. This is a transmission line. The voltage and current in the output and input terminals of a two-port network are given by the equation shown in below. The voltage and current in the output and input terminals of two-port network are given by the equation shown in below. So sending end voltage Vs is equal to AVR plus VIR. Vs is the sending end voltage, VR is the receiving end voltage, IR is the receiving end current. Is equal to CVR plus DIR, sending end current. So this is a representation. What is the Vs, what is the Is, what is the VR and IR. So A, B, C, D are the constant, also known as the transmission parameters or chain parameters. These parameters are used for the analysis of an electrical network. It is also used for determining the performance of input-output voltage and current of the transmission network. So the ABCD parameters are very useful. above equation can also be written in matrix form for easy calculation shown below. So in matrix forms, sending and voltage. So this is the sending and current, IS. Sending and voltage, sending and current. Please remember this sending and voltage, sending and current is equal to A, B, C, D. Receiving and voltage, receiving and current. So Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR. IS, IS, this is the S. IS is equal to CVR plus DIR. ABCD parameters for open circuit condition. So whenever the what is the open circuit condition? So the open circuit condition in output terminals, we please see the diagram. So this is a sending and voltage, sending and current. Output terminals open circuit. So open circuit means without any load we connecting. Without any load means so the receiving and current is zero. Must remember this point. So whenever the open circuit condition means without any load condition. Without any load condition, the receiving and current becomes zero. In the open circuit, the output terminals are open and the voltage measured across them is VR. Since the circuit is open at the receiving end, the current IR remains zero because the no load condition that not draws any current without any load that not draws any current. Definitely the IR is equal to 0. So Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR. So what happens here? The receiving end current is equal to 0. Substitute BIR. IR is nothing but 0. Vs becomes AVR. So constant A is equal to Vs by VR when IR is equal to 0. So constant A is equal to Vs by VR. So how can we define the constant A? Constant A determined by Vs by VR whenever IR is equal to 0. So what is the units of constant A is a very important. So here there is a voltage, here there is a voltage. So the constant A having no units. So constant A is a dimensionless element. So from above equation, we get the value of A parameter, which is the ratio of sending end voltage to the receiving end voltage. Clearly, which is the ratio of sending end voltage to the receiving end voltage. It is a dimensionless constant because their ratio has the same dimension. It is a dimensionless constant because their ratio has a same dimension. Similarly, if IR is equal to 0, substitute in current equation, what happens? IS is equal to CVR plus DIR. IR is equal to 0. So, the constant C is equal to IS by V. I by V whenever IR is equal to 0. So, what is the units? So, I by V. V by I, the units is ohm. Everyone know. V by I, the units is ohm. So what happens the I by V? So I by V the units is Siemens or Mohs. So the constant C units are Siemens and Mohs. So we get the value of C parameter, which is the ratio of the sending end voltage to the current. It units is Siemens. We get the value of C parameters, which is the ratio of current to the voltage, which is the ratio of current to the voltage, which is the ratio of current to the voltage. ABCD parameters for short circuit. So please observe carefully. Sending and voltage. So short circuit means output terminals VR is equal to 0. Short circuit is the output terminal VR is equal to 0. So for the short circuit, the voltage remains 0 at the receiving end. So by using a short circuit, definitely the voltage source becomes 0. So Vs is equal to AVR plus VIR. Substitute VR value is equal to 0. What happens? Vs it becomes VIR. V is equal Vs by IR. VR is equal 0. How can you define the constant V? Constant V is the ratio of sending end voltage to receiving end current whenever VR is equal to 0. So what is the units of constant V is a very important. The V by I, definitely the units is ohms. Similarly, if you put VR is equal to 0 in current equation, Is is equal C0 plus DIR. Is is equal CVR plus DIR. VR is equal 0. Is is equal to DIR. D is equal to Is by IR. VR is equal to 0. So constant D is the ratio of sending end current to the receiving end current. Same currents are there in numerator and denominator. So that constant D is a dimensionless element. Dimensionless. So in ABCD constants, A and D are the dimensionless. Constant B units is ohms. Constant C units is Siemens. Constant B units is ohms. Constant C units is Siemens. So Vs is equal to AVR plus VIR. To determine the very important. So what is the voltage regulation formula? The voltage regulation formula, change in voltage from no load to full load in expressed as a full load voltage. So already I explained that one. So here the very important is what is the no load voltage at receiving end side. Normally we know the receiving end voltage, full load voltage is VR. So if you assume VR dash is a no load voltage, how can you find out the no load voltage means? To determine VR dash, the no load voltage at the receiving end equation is made use VR dash is equal to Vs by A, where IR is equal to 0. So in take the open circuit condition. So open circuit condition, what happens? IR value is equal 0. So total Vs becomes AVR. What about AVR? So we assume that we taken as VR dash. So what is the means of VR dash at no load condition? VR is a full load condition. VR dash is a no load condition. Everyone remember that point. VR is a full load voltage. VR dash is a no load voltage. So Vs is equal to A VR dash. So VR dash is equal to Vs by A. Clearly VR dash is equal to Vs by A. When IR is equal to 0. So the percentage regulation is equal to Vs by A minus VR by VR into 100. So already I told that in short transmission line where we derive the regulation is the Vs minus VR by VR into 100. We not put Vs by A because the value of constant A in short transmission line is equal to 1. So we can derive later that one. So what is the percentage regulation formula? The percentage regulation formula is a Vs by A minus Vr by Vr into 100. This is a very important. So this is the ABCD constants of a transmission line. We can derive by using two input and two output terminals. We can easily derive the sending end voltage and also sending end current for finding efficiency very easily. And also VR dash, we can know the VR dash. What is the VR dash? VR dash is the receiving end voltage under no load condition. So this is a short line. Already we know short line of a single phase transmission line. So already we know in short what is the specification of short line. In short line there is no capacitance value. So what happens if you know this capacitance value? If there is not in the capacitance value, what happened? Tell me. Already I told that all the currents are same in the circuit. All the currents are same in the circuits. So what are the currents? Sending end current, receiving end current, sending end current, and also a receiving end current is equal to I. So take that is the equation. So the sending end current is equal to receiving end current. So here we finding the ABCD constants of short transmission. Find out Vs. So how can you find out Vs? Vs is equal to Vr, receiving end voltage, and the drop. So what are the drops here? So IR plus IXL. Take I as a common. R plus JXL. So R plus JX, definitely that is a impedance. So Vs is equal to Vr plus IR Z. Take the equations. So comparing this equation with basic equations. So what are the basic equations? Basic equations are Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR. Is equal to CVR plus DIR. So compare the coefficients. Compare the coefficients. So Vs is equal to AVR plus BIR. Vs is equal to VR plus IRZ. In the place of constant A, what happened? In the place of constant A, there is 1. The coefficient is 1. So constant A is equal to 1. So IRZ. So IR in the place of B, there is a constant Z. So constant B is equal to Z. So here Is is equal to IR. So there is no constant C value. So there is no constant C value. Definitely constant C is equal to 0. So if there is 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 equal to IR, Is is equal to CVR plus DIR. D in the value of D coefficient, compare it. That is a D value is equal to 1. Compare the all the coefficients from basic equation to actual equations. We get constant A, constant D is equal to 1, constant B is equal to Z, constant C is equal to 0. Already I told that the voltage regulation of a transmission line is equal to VR dash, that is nothing but Vs by A. So please observe constant A value in short transmission line is 1. So the percentage regulation of short transmission line is Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100 only. So what are the units here? A and D are dimensionless, B having ohms, C is equal to Siemens. So in this way we can finding the ABCD constants in short line. So already in this session we discussed about what are the ABCD parameters. So ABCD constants of a short line. ABCD constants of short line which are very important. Thank you.